The drum brake has had many developments over the years, with the modern day drum brake being developed in 1902 by a French industrialist named Louis Renault, who is the co-founder of Renault Motors. Hello guys, I'm TigerG and welcome to TigerG Virtual Garage. Here it's all about automotive parts, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe guys, to keep the channel growing as we grow together. Don't forget to like, share and drop your comments in the comment section below. So guys, let's get started. So we have the parts making up the drum brake system, and we'll go through each part and their function. So we have the wheel drum, which serves as friction surface against which the brake shoe press to create braking force. We have the brake shoe. They are pushed outwards by the wheel cylinder piston to contact the inner surface of the drum when the brakes are applied. We have the back plate, serves as foundation for all brake components, protecting them and providing structural support. We have the spring. It returns the brake shoe back to resting position. The brake pedal is released. You have the wheel cylinder. It converts hydraulic pressure to mechanical force. If you haven't watched that video on wheel cylinder, you can check it out. We have the adjuster. They automatically maintain the gap between the brake shoe and the drum as the lining wear down. And finally, we have the hold down spring. They secure the brake shoe and other components to the back plate. Now we have known the parts, let's see how the drum brake operates. So when the driver presses the brake pedal, the pressure is created in the brake master cylinder. This high pressure is transferred through the brake line into the wheel cylinder. The wheel cylinder has two pistons which move outward. This movement pushes the brake shoe against the wheel drum and friction is created, and that is how braking is attained. When pressure is relieved, the spring on the back plate and the one inside the wheel cylinder return the piston back to original position, thus a smooth operation of the brakes can be maintained. Now that we have known how the drum brake works, let's go through the signs of a failing drum brake. So the primary sign of a failing drum brake includes a soft or spongy brake pedal, which can result from excessive clearance between the brake shoe and the drum. The other sign is unusual noises such as grinding, scraping, which are common indicators. This occurs when the friction material on the brake shoe is worn down to the metal backing plate, causing it to contact the drum directly. The other sign is a noticeable vibration or pulsation in the brake pedal when braking, typically caused by brake drums that are out of round or unevenly worn out. The other sign is a decrease in braking performance where the vehicle takes longer to stop. It's a serious sign of wear of the brake lines and they need to be replaced as soon as possible. Additionally, a loose or ineffective parking brake can indicate that the brake shoes are worn and unable to make proper contact with the drum. So something to note is that if the brake pedal feels low or sink to the floor, it may also signal a problem with the brake system, including potential fluid leaks on the brake line or air in the brake line. So that's all about the signs. So we'll go to the servicing. When servicing the drum brake, it is crucial to work on one side at a time to maintain a reference for assembly, as the parts can easily be mixed up and make things more complicated. So here is a video guys on how to dismantle the drum brake from your vehicle. So you're going to watch it and then afterwards we'll go through the crucial things to check during servicing of the drum brake. So here are the crucial things to check during servicing of the drum brake. The first thing is to inspect the wheel cylinder or leaks behind the dashboard. If it's leaking, it should be replaced, as a failed seal can compromise braking performance. The other one is the brake drum, itself. It should be resurfaced or replaced if worn out unevenly. Also, it's important to check the backing plate for rust or damage, as a compromised plate can affect the entire brake system and may need replacement. Before we conclude, when reassembling the drum brake, make sure you lubricate the contact point on the backing plate, but avoid contaminating the brake shoe with grease, because this is going to affect the coefficient of friction between the drum and the brake lines. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video as we explore automotive parts. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.